Welcome to the first video of many where we strap rockets to random stuff and keep going until one of us gets injured.
Isaac was supposed to pick me up 3.5 hours ago and I have no clue where he is.
Wow, look who finally showed up. Whoa. Good morning, Isaac. We're going to Hobby Lobby to get the rockets now.
You watched Top Gun, right?
Oh, Goose. Oh Goose.
Is that gonna be enough? That shit was my bread and butter. I was so into them. Dude, look at its veins. Look at how.
Whoa.
Above the world, so high, like a diamond in the...
So you're stranded in the middle of nowhere and your battery's dead. So what you can do, take a little 3S LiPo and then you just connect it onto this bad boy right here.
Oh, that works so well.
But
all right, we have trash can, RC car. We don't need that anymore. Rockets. All right, this looks like Bullet Bill. Bullet Bill has rockets. And what do we have? Rockets. Safety first.
on the ends like that.
That looks kind of... It's like the eyes or something. Whoa, yeah, it's only a force nerve. Whoa, broth.
Nar.
Yar. Cool. So gnarly, bruh.
Oh, sus.
I really want to put this up to a blowtorch. Oh, that works so well. It kind of looks fine.
It's kind of scary looking.
Ready to go. Let's do an RC test real quick.
What's that?
Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Isaac has put the igniter in, long extension cord. We're just gonna touch a 9-volt battery to the prongs and it should go off. You don't have it in your hand right now, right?
Yeah, I know.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit! Okay. It didn't go anywhere.
Holy shit! That created so much smoke. Oh damn, it's like covered in sludge everywhere, but that held on really nice. What do you think? I was sitting in the car and then all of a sudden I started feeling smoke going all over me and I started tasting something metallic. And I was freaking out because I thought it was a rocket, but I could have sworn the rocket was like done. It was like not hot at all. Don't smell that! The fire extinguisher pin came out and the fire extinguisher was going off in the back of the car. Okay, we're back in Isaac's garage. Isaac, we never talked about your garage. You have so many planes. You could see from the last test, this flipped over. Our solution is to make a thrust angle. Genius Arvin decided to put a shit ton of glue all over this motor mount. We got a chemical fire extinguisher for like $20 from Walmart. And we were in the car. The pin for this fell out. Doing it still in the car.
Usually.
Yeah, but it's probably atmospheric pressure.
Thank you, Neil, for being the cameraman today. As a reward, I'm gonna make you ride a backwards bike.
This is so hard. This is so hard. So hard. This is so hard. It makes me feel so stupid. It's so hard.
We just
What did the lumberjack say to the tree? Saw, dude. Wait, no, not saw, axe. Well, whatever. You get what I mean.
That was a bad joke. Sorry.
Saw, dude. Can I ask you a question? What? Are you gonna use that?
It'll be faster.
Use the wrong tool for the wrong job.
It's not the wrong.
It's such a bad situation. I feel like this is the best tool to use. Yo! What? All right. I'm working on the ignition system. We could have a relay, but we don't have a relay, so we're gonna make our own relay using a servo, which is really crappy, but we're gonna make it work.
Good job, Arvin.
Thank you. I look like a maniac sitting here right now, don't I? When switch flick, multimeter beep. Okay, hello, I'm Shivering. We are now at the school which we like to abuse and oh, everybody just walks away. Great.
Yeah, me too.
we got the car set up and we got 2 rockets in here. There's a great chance that this hovers and actually accelerates upwards, which is pretty bad. But luckily it's pretty wet today. We're gonna arm it now. Okay, Isaac, arm it.
Yeah, me to arm it?
Yeah, you arm it. Can someone get the tape? GoPro recording. My voice is like, ew, why do I look so yellow?
What's wrong with being
Right
yellow,
now?
Arvin?
This is so lame.
It's Bullet Bill, by the way.
Look at this. Come on. Okay, okay.
Okay. I hope this works. It usually has a hard time igniting even with the proper
You look so stupid.
plug.
Smiling like in the shadow of your hood.
How do you arm this, Arvin? Arvin, you just plug these 2 straight into each other?
Yeah.
Okay, everything's ready.
We're about to test the worst invention I've probably ever made and the probably most dangerous one. We have no direction which way this rocket will go, which is especially dangerous. We got a preschool right here. You ready, guys?
No, you arm it.
What do you mean I arm it?
It's your project. Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Because now I'm
Shit.
scared the rockets are gonna go off. Grab the igniters and just rip it out. I'm so scared.
How'd you rate this experience?
Not very fire.
Cold.
3, 2, 1.
Your switch sucks.
But it was working. The multimeter was going beep.
Put my face directly in the line of fire. Okay, I think we need another
Oh, it does.
9-volt battery.
You see, desperate times require desperate measures. The light just burns. We got a headlight. Now, if it goes towards your car is fucked. You guys want to know the plan? I think I'll tell you guys the plan. 3 9-volt batteries. We're going to put them all in series. We got 27 volts. If this doesn't ignite, then igniter, I don't know what will. Dude, this lighting is so much better for the slow-mo now. Let's show you some magic trick. You put that there.
No! Holy shit! No way! I didn't know that trick. All right, the little butt plugs are in.
That's not armed, right?
Okay, you want me to arm it?
Arm it.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Where's the transmitter?
Neil, take the transmitter. Don't plug it in. Is the battery plugged in for the receiver?
Man, so much work to just light a few rockets.
This is what happens when we're not teenagers anymore. You're the only teenager here, Sid. No, wait, no, I'm still a teenager.
We're still teenagers. You mean
not
adults?
in like 3
Okay,
months.
check it.
We're about to go arming.
Okay, arming? Ready?
Arming? Arming.
Arming?
Arming.
Okay.
Back up. Tell me, everybody ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit. Wait, don't get closer yet.
Wow.
It worked. I forgot the ejection about the LiPo. Well, stop rotating it! Oh, only one went off?
What?
Only one went off? Why did that last so long?
That
though?
one's not warm. Really? That one didn't go off.
Oh, you know why it lasted long? Because it was wet. Well, at least we saved like $4.50.
It's cold, that one's warm. Yeah, and I only saw 1 ejection.
Okay.
We could.
Can you stop like edging it? Thank you. Another day, another adventure. I'm done saying these stupid lines. Okay.
That was a lot of work for like 3 seconds.
I'm gonna do the mix before we go.
Home?
Ow! Okay, yeah, let's go. Where are you going? What's your guys' return policy?
It's 30 days or less with the original receipt.
The table roll.
Isaac!
Yo! The controller is a steering wheel. What's going on?
Does this only go forward and backward? This only goes forward and backward!
Yep.
The acceleration?
Okay.
0 to 1 in
Wait,
5 seconds.
I can't steer and drive at the same time. No bag for you. 10 cents.
How to name your Asian baby. Welcome to the most brain-dead race you're probably ever gonna see on this channel. We got RC cars, we got portable electric vehicles, completely different races. We bought 2 RC cars that are both on 27 megahertz, and that's really sad. The lesson learned is don't buy RC cars from Five Below. This right here is Isaac's go-kart. This is Olavia's e-bike. That's a Five Below RC car. And this time we'll have both rockets go off. We're gonna do a drag race first. Okay, electric vehicle drag race. You guys, you weren't talking while I was talking, right? The reward is they get to drive the little crappy RC car, which seems more like a punishment. Oh, Terry's riding that? You think your thing can beat the e-bike?
No, but what's the point of, no one's going to be like, wow, that's a really fast go-kart. No, they're going to be like, wow, that's a slow e-bike.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
No, photo finish. So close.
Titties, 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 titties,
go.
titties.
How do you feel about this, winning this competition?
I feel great.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Do you like your new car?
Yeah.
The one that only goes forward and backwards?
No.
There's only photons collecting on my eyelids.
Yeah.
I'm running out of creativity. Max, do you think that was a fair race?
I think we need to make that bike a little slower.
We have 2 people on one. You guys want to? I'll film. You can sit on my lap. Wait, I need to hold on to something. Ah! Look, you squished my toe. Okay, get on again, get on again, get on again.
Feel your balls.
Really? I'll block them more. Terry, come on over. I've never felt your body so much in my life. Okay, Max, you want to do the countdown? Oh! You won again! How the f did Isaac get up there? Isaac! How'd you get? Now for the real stuff, the grand finale, drag race with a hint of rocket.
Backwards is forwards.
Yeah, I used the right turn to go forward. Yeah, that's it. Sometimes all you gotta do is move forward in life, no matter what button you press. And this is not the play. Riders, on your mark. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, you won! It actually worked!
Oh shit! Hey, we have a fire extinguisher just in case. Hey, it actually didn't tip over this time.
Yeah!
And both went off.
You owe me $5. Oh! Oh, it's coming back. Hey, it's like a Falcon 9.
No, not even close to a Falcon 9.
Falcon 9. Thank you, Bullet Bill. Oh, wait, this sulfur smells like a Lunchable.
What?
Lunchables smell like sulfur.
I even ate sulfur as a kid.
Where are the wheels?
I also broke my toe.
You're going home?
We're going home. I'm like out of ideas. Go. Bye.
Don't cry, Arvin. Santa's not gonna come if you cry. Arvin, if you cry, Santa's not gonna visit you.
No one talks to me like that.
He's going to touch you in your sleeve.